Right guys, what I'm going to be doing, to work out how much I need to cut off this piece here, because I already know it's too long, what I need to work out is how far up the centerpiece on the clutch is going to sit. So there is you can see got the clutch in here that it comes out every time. In the middle there is a shoulder, and the spline that's on this input shaft of the transmission, the spline only goes to the edge of the shoulder there. So I pretty much know that with this clutch plate pushed all the way back, it's got all the splines. Now I do want to give it a little bit of free play because I don't want it, grinding against the inside of the transmission. So I'm going to pull it back just slightly, just to there. That way there's free play. And now all I'm going to do is put a straight edge on here and measure how far in to the shaft I'm going to have. And then I'll go onto the adapter plate with this coupling sitting on the adapter plate and measure up how high I need to chop it straight through. 4.5 centimeters. So if I chuck this back on there like that, where does 45mm get us? Right in this top section of the teeth. So I'll be cutting it straight through there. Now I'll be taking this out to a lathe. So what I'll do is I'll probably chop it through with a standard saw first, and then just face it off on the lathe. I will also be seeing how much of this I need to modify. I'm going to pull this apart right now and see how much of the center section I can get out without anything else, because there's a lot of, got all these springs in here and that stuff, and that's all just rubbish for what I'm doing. So let's see how far out, how much of this I can pull out. Right, 45. It's roughly around there.